my previous college, he told me that he see a business in United States and he want to start that business in Taiwan. So very quickly, we just have a dinner and then we decided to open our own company. After we serve a different industry, we found that we want to make it to be more automatic.
So kind of like it would be like nice if we could like I would like to know about your background and on like how you ended up starting this company and also like what you serve right now.
Okay. After I graduated from Taiwan University, I joined Alleypin. It's a edtech company to provide edtech technology for advertiser to target their audience. So I see how Alleypin to build up company and how they expand internationally, expand to Japan, to Singapore, to Australia, to Vietnam. So at that time, I see how a small startup to grow up like 100 business. Yeah. And after Alleypin, I joined China Mobile. And after the 2 year working in China Mobile, one day, my previous college, he told me that he see a business in United States and he want to start that business in Taiwan. So it's a pretty concept. We help the small business to improve their online reputation. Yeah. So at that time, I think this tool will be very convenient and also helpful for SMB to improve their online reputation. They have to improve their online presence and to attract more potential customer to visit their store. So very quickly, we just have a dinner and then we decided to open our own company. So at the beginning, we provide a tool, a simple tool for SMB to improve their online review. So how we do it, we send a SMS or email to the client. After the client finish the service and leave the SMB store, we will send a message. So at that time, we serve our first client's not clinic. The first our client is attorney. Yeah, because attorney in Taiwan, they cannot do the public advertisement. They have to attract their new customer based on word of mouth. Yeah, so we just make their word of mouth become digitized. The first one is that, and the second one is the salon. But after we serve a different industry, we found that we want to make it to be more automatic. If you have to type their cell phone number into our system and then to send their SMS, it will be very lousy. Yeah, so we start to figure out which industry that we want to focus on. So at that time, we found the medical industry, because medical industry, they have they have few innovation. We can see the innovation in online shopping, in retailing, in F&B industry, but we see few innovation in medical industry. Yeah, so I think it maybe will be another industry that we can survive and we can be successful. So we start to study in this industry, and among the medical industry, we focus in dental clinic, because dental clinic, we have around 7,000 dental clinic in Taiwan. So after a year, we have already 200 dental clinic to be our customer.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's in the end of 2018, but we see a few challenge during that time, because the tool is very helpful, but it's very simple, and a lot of our customer to see on their review. The reason why we want to design this process is because that we believe that if we have a feedback loop for the SMB, that they can collect the feedback to improve their service process, and it will become very better. Yeah. But a few of our clients, they will see this tool to be their online review generator. They want to generate more review on their Google My Business, and it will attract more potential customer. And after they collect around 300 or 400 positive review, they will think, oh, it's enough, and we don't want to continue to use your service. Yeah, so we see around 25% churn rate during 2018. At the beginning, we spent a lot of effort to acquire a client, but their churn rate is 25 is very high. Yeah, so we start to think that before the our feedback tool, what kind of solution that we can provide to the clinic. So another that we see the line is another instant message in Taiwan. So we just start to see how the client to find a clinic and during their making the appointment process or what's issue that we can help them to solve. Yeah, so in 2099 we start to design more tool for on our platform to help the client to help the clinic to solve more problem on their the first thing is how they acquire their clients and during the appointment process what's the function that we can help them to solve. Because for example, like in Taiwan in dental clinic, if you make an appointment, they will make the form to remind you that before the day that you went to you go to the clinic, they will make the appointment call, remind you tomorrow you have an appointment, and we make the this process to be more automatic. Yeah, we connect with their appointment system and we integrate line. So the system will send a reminding message to the patient's line, and they will see the information. Yeah, so we can use this to replace the manual reminding.
I see. And your market strategy, like, I guess.
Our market strategy will be we do the advertising, yeah, but as you may know, the medical in every nation is very conservative. Yeah, so you will hire the sales team to knock the door. Yeah, to add the doctor on Facebook and to ping the message on them for them on Facebook. Yeah, and make a cold call to send a request.
What timing do you think you should like actually scale overseas?
To go abroad and go global is a frequently be discussed issue in Taiwan among Taiwan staff, right? Because Taiwan only have 25 million population in Taiwan. This will be the task will be the most thinking challenge that you have to face. Yeah, so that's why after we have a 800 clinic, we start to think about we still have every year we have a new we have a growth in Taiwan, and if we want to speed up, we have to expand to other countries.
Are you in other countries too, like China or?
No, we because our services are based online. So other nation to use a line as their instant message, Japan and Thailand. Yeah, and Japan is another bigger market compared to Thailand. So Japan will be our next main markets.
Yeah. What about like Korea? Like these mine too.
Korea is not our. Korea use their KakaoTalk.
Okay.
Yeah, and Korea is a company that their digital penetration is very high compared with Taiwan. Taiwan is at 8%, but Korea is like 30%.
So it's very competitive.
Yes.
What would you say are like the advantages and like the disadvantages of being a startup founder here?
I think Taiwan is a very good place for if we want to enter the Asian market. I think Taiwan is a very good place to do the POC. And Taiwan have a strong manufacturing capability and also the very good software engineer. Taiwan is not your main market. Population is not big enough. You know that there's the bracelet brand called Zemia. It's a brand start to Germany. They start their own company in Singapore. And they want to provide a much cheaper bracelet. The expensive one is the Invisalign. Invisalign. And they want to provide the something product like the Invisalign. They use Invisalign's patent to design their own bracelets. Yeah, the patent the patent is already expired, so everyone can use it. Till now, Taiwan is their own main market.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. Taiwan's their only market.
Okay, so they're doing very well. And
yeah, in Taiwan. Yeah. They are a Singapore brand, but they expand to Thailand, to Vietnam, to Taiwan, to Singapore, and to Philippines and Hong Kong. From Taiwan, in Taiwan they do much better.
Really? Yeah, makes total sense.
So Taiwan is a very good a place to do a POC.
Who would you be like actually interested in connecting with in Japan?
In Japan,
Yeah.
they have a lot of a clinic channel, and they know the clinic industry in Japan very well. Maybe the medical device agent or the company they just sell they are doing business with clinic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So like partner maybe I guess. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Kenneth.